Hey Math 5 and happy Thursday. Make sure you have your charged Chromebook ready to go and any materials for your project. You might want to have a sticky note or a piece of paper nearby if you have to jot down any reminders for yourself. Our learning goal for today says that mathematicians will show what they know about integers by working on their project. I just want to take a few minutes today to go over some reminders for your integer project and ways that I can help and support you. So as a reminder, your project is due tomorrow, Friday by 3:30 p.m. As you have seen on the rubrics posted in Google Classroom, part of your score for the project is timeliness, so making sure that it's emailed to me in some capacity before 3:30. If you're unsure of how to email your project to me, whether it's a song recording or a picture of something, make sure that you're trying before 3:30 p.m. and emailing me or a classmate if you have any questions. Please don't wait until 3:20 to try to submit your project and then realize you need help uploading pictures. This integer project is counting as an assessment. So this is how you're going to demonstrate how much you've learned and what you really know and understand about integers. You can work together. Everyone's handing in their own unique project, but please don't hesitate to email each other, get feedback from one another, and support each other along the way. Obviously, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. If you'd like, I'm happy to hop onto a Google Meet with just you or you and a few classmates today or early tomorrow to go over any questions you have about the project. Make sure you're putting in strong effort. It should be clear that you took Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 4 days to work on this. I hope you're having some fun with it, and as always, please don't hesitate if there is anything that I can support you with. Have a wonderful rest of your Thursday, and always remember there are optional office hours tomorrow, Friday from 11 to 12, so I look forward to seeing more of you in tomorrow's Google Meet. All right, see you later, guys.